wings that soar.
I can do that in my sleep.
Second start on the right, straight on to more.
The ninth wonder in the universe! The wild dirty flying elephant! Dumbo! Wait till we get to the big town!
The wilderness must be explored! It's
My name is Doug. I have just met you, and I love you.
Dante! You are a real spirit guide! Who's a good spirit guide? You are! Whoa! That's a dog one down. Oh, this is cool, right? Wow. Dad, you don't know who that is? That's Wally.
It is Wally. I can't even see for it. I thought it was a polar bear.
Wally and Eva.
No, Mom, that's how the teacher dragon. It is a shoe dragon. You're right.
Mama loves it.
You're loving it.
What the hell is that? Let's see what's that.
I want to learn the ways of the Force and become a Jedi like my father.
You even press record.
Okay, his head's actually too big.
You've taken your first step into a larger world. That's no home. It's a space station.
All wings report in.
They saw it.
Watch that crossfire, boys. Watch it, you absolutely can. I have to now.
Come in. Primary ignition.
The force is strong.
We're all clear, kid. Now let's pull this thing. Go on.
It disintegrated.
The force will be with you. Always.
16.
Matt's smart. There's no way. You know Matt got one.
There's Big Mac. Big Mac. What's his name again? Big Mac from Big Hero 6. That's Mega Baymax.
Baymax, rings, thrusters.
Not Baymax.
Fine. Makes me a better buster.
done it.
Hey, you know what? There's another name you might know me by.
That's Avatar.
Last Airbender, bro. Last Airbender. What's up?
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Oh, that's what it was.
Dance off, bro.
Come on, Drax.
Two types of beings in the universe. Those who dance, those who do not.
Big job.
I'm recording, you record.
Guy surrounded by the biggest aliens in the galaxy.
Yeah.
Think that looked cool? Yeah, that looked cool.
To infinity
And beyond.
and beyond.
You saw that good bird.
That is so fire.
That's my ear. Yeah, it was better than 3 light year, but it was good. It was good. Yeah,
I'm not recording this. Never mind.
oh, it's the night before Christmas.
Yeah.
My favorite show. Well, what's it, Jack?
You mean the nightmare, not the night before Christmas?
Bro. Oh, that's cool.
That looks amazing.
Bobby, you know the thing
Oh my god, what time did you send? I'm just asking. What? I don't know.
What's the inside out? Instead of dreams that
Baby Yoda, Mandalorian, yeah. Baby Yoda. Leave that stand right here right next. So you can see Baby Yoda.
Baby Yoda. Am I in my way?
Stop correcting me, it's Baby Yoda. Jenna, right? It's Baby Yoda.
That is
Tomorrow's always brighter than yesterday.
It's Aladdin.
Aladdin.
Aladdin the movie.
What is that?
Wish upon a star.
That's when you see it.
Let's go to a place where dreams
Oh, I love this. That was actually Tinkerbell, Daniel.
Tinkerbell from Peter Pan.
I know.